In this video I'm going to show you the Dolphin Proteus DX5i Robotic Pool Cleaner. And included in the box is a warranty card. The cleaner comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Also, there are some quick start guides inside the box. And also included is this advanced power supply. I'll go over the features of the power supply a little bit later in the video. Also included are 4 ultrafine filters for the cleaner. And a DX5i comes with 18 meters of cord, or 60 feet. Included on the cord is a swivel. This swivel will prevent cord tangling as the cleaner is moving in the pool. And one of the key features that makes this cleaner very user-friendly is that it weighs only 14 pounds. It's a very light robotic pool cleaner. And the Proteus DX5i is designed to clean the pool floor, walls, and waterline. And another great feature is that this is a top-loading robotic pool cleaner with a very large debris basket inside. When you open the top, the debris basket handle pops out. You can easily extract it. You can also see with the basket removed that it has a very large debris opening. So this cleaner is great for large leaf debris as well as dirt. And the fine filter basket bottom snaps open for easy removal of debris. You can also remove the individual filter panels and clean them. Slide right out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the panels here and install the ultrafine filters. I'm going to go ahead and install the ultrafine filters. They go in one direction. You'll see a number corresponding to the filter. This one's number 4. You'll see number 4 here on the edge. I'm going to slide it in. Once you have it in place, it clips right in. I'll do the same thing with number 3. Here's number 1. And number 2. So it's very easy to change out the filters from the fine to the ultrafine filters. And reinserting the debris canister is easy. It goes in one direction. Just close the lid. And the cord connects to the power supply very easily. There's a little notch here on the power supply that will prevent you from putting the cord on wrong. Simply stick the cord in and then tighten it up. Go ahead and plug the power supply into a GFI outlet. And now take the cleaner and set it into the middle of the pool. It'll sink to the bottom on its own. Let me go over the basic controls of the power unit. This is the power button here. You want to make sure that the cleaner is on the bottom of the pool, fully submerged before you turn the power on. This is your weekly programmable cycle. Click it once, the cleaner will come on once per week. Click it again, the cleaner will come on 4 times per week. Click it one more time, it'll come on 3 times per week. This is your cleaning cycle mode. You have the normal cleaning mode, which is 2 hours. The cleaner will clean the floors, walls, and waterline. Or you could do a quick clean mode, which is floors only for 1 hour. And the scrubbing brushes on the front and the back of the cleaner provide just enough friction to remove dirt, algae, and debris from the bottom of the pool, the walls of the pool, and the waterline of the pool. And the fact that the DX5i can clean in both directions, frontward and backwards, allows it to clean your entire pool in less than 2 hours. And the durable tracks on the side of the cleaner allow the cleaner to get closer to the pool surface than other robotic pool cleaners, providing the extra friction that the brushes need to leave the pool spotless. And the climbing ability of the DX5i is unmatched by any other robotic pool cleaner. The PowerStream mobility allows this cleaner to expertly navigate the pool surface, and the advanced microprocessor in the robotic pool cleaner will direct the jet stream in the direction it needs to go in order to finish the task. In this case here, it's cleaning the water line of the pool. And the CleverClean technology will allow the cleaner to clean the pool in the best possible way without missing any spots. The smart software allows the cleaner to map the pool and clean it in the most efficient way. And the CleverClean technology also prevents the cleaner from getting caught up in any obstacles or any areas of the pool, like the step areas. me show you the dirt and debris that the cleaner picked up here at this pool. You can see the fine filter does a great job trapping the dirt. And this cleaner is also great for pools with a lot of large leaf debris. Another great feature of the DX5i is that you can use the My Dolphin app on your device to turn on and off the cleaner, and also to use your device as a remote control. Let me show you the Bluetooth mode really quick. You can see that it's in regular cleaning mode. You can turn the cleaner on and off here from the app. You also can take remote control of the cleaner. So now you can control the cleaner using this remote here. I can move it backwards. I can also turn it. You can also use the remote in tilt mode. When you tilt the device, the robotic pool cleaner will turn in that direction. That's a quick look at the Dolphin Proteus DX5i. This would be a great choice for a robotic pool cleaner for your pool. It's loaded with a lot of great features. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty, and it'll leave your pool spotless every week. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.